Hi guys, I'm Cheri with cookswellwithothers.com and I have another fabulous weekly meal plan for you. I'm kind of weird in that most people don't like to plan meals, but I really do. So hopefully this helps you with your weekly meal plan. And if something is on my meal plan that you don't particularly like, feel free, to check out lots of other recipes that I have at my food blog, which is cookswellwithothers.com. So here are the meals that I have planned this week. I have 3 meals plus I always do like a fun weekend meal. It could be a snack, it could be a dessert. This week it is breakfast. So let's get started. So our first meal this week, the kids are gonna love, and it's also gonna bring out the kid in you, kind of did for myself and my husband, is Parmesan ranch chicken nuggets. And we just kind of made that kind of a fun meal throwback to like when we were kids too, and we had that with some tater tots and literally just the boxed macaroni and cheese. It was really good. The kids were really excited and super easy to make. The second meal on the meal plan this week would be taco stuffed bell peppers. This makes a lot, so you're definitely going to get at least 2 meals out of that. But there's also a recipe in the link for freezer burritos because it makes a lot of filling. So it gives you the choice to make more stuffed bell peppers or to use the freezer burritos, which those are great to pack for a lunch when you're on the go or having a busy week. We also have slow cooker chicken corn chowder. I am a teacher. I threw that together the morning of. I chopped the vegetables up the night before and put them in the refrigerator. But I made that the morning before school, turned it on low, and it was done for me when I got home, and that was really good. You may even be able to get 2 meal nights out of that one also, and you could also freeze it. And then for our fun weekend meal, we have breakfast. We have maple waffle breakfast casserole. And if you wanted to have this actually for breakfast, that's great. But who doesn't love breakfast for dinner as well? So you could have a nice breakfast for dinner with that maple waffle breakfast casserole. So you guys have a great week, and I will be back next week sharing more recipes from cookswellwithothers.com.